Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Openrock earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it for your Android device and how you can easily set up this application with your earbuds. At first we have to open Play Store and here enter search. Here we have to search for Openrock, the same name as the company's name, and here we have the Openrock application from Openrock developer. Here we have to click install button. And now let's wait a moment. Here we have to tap open to open application and here accept the terms and conditions. Now I recommend to be connected with the headphones before the whole process. As you can see, I'm now connected. Wait a moment, this is not the application. Here, as you can see, we have the supported device, Openrock X. Here we have the product manual, but we have to click add device and authorize. Here we have to allow the Openrock application to access the device location while using the app and precise. Here add device, authorize for determining the Bluetooth connection, add device, and now we are scanning for our Openrock X. As you can see, scan complete. Please select the device to connect Openrock X. And now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.